Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in Sem TVGH. So, what friend me Adjoa searching him.
Na say NDC party na ho young guys are mahama momo post yetimi nyo bia betimi de yensese ebusa ko de onya Ghana ska wonwia na onya kronfo na wo basontali akwala keto wonya adwuma da unimu hu adwale utwa nufo nchai wonum nyina be onufo yemfa Ghana adwuma mawa wo de 90 billion ekodua ko ususua abedrua ye fense obatan epenifusu a ye de gu abeso edi yan kwan ma no wonya nufusu no wo de 90 billion ene ekodua yetimi nya sangam man young guys yi wan this ma e be ka se we de onya kronfo onya Ghana ska wonwia enye no nko a o office toilet akoso wo to ti room 5 billion basonteli 5 billion adan won de bomb oko toilet e bomb na eba eti uto ti room kwa 5 billion because and this for there ye we for and this for ye land guard for eti yenya with this short time mobile ye monko pagana sikari nyina de gufie kodi ekufo de ba ya ode Samia Okuko national lotteries o ma lotto kwa ya kono lotto asofo nyina twa lotto kwa o ma hu because of what you say young guy na dream do big brain and this is from kwala there because they are supposed to and we do am yakowolo fo and am criminal fo and am we fo eti ya ma post kakra bia pass the seconds enya ho sale de sami jafiko gold board gold wo kese kokoye ton boka eso ko ton gold boka sami jafi and this is for there ye nya obi e betu de sa a she je mama no say abranche we there o ye faithful obi e kronfo abedru ko unsusuwa keke ko abedru ye de abedru ko unsusuwa o de 90 billion na de ba semuni because Dr. Mamudu ameka kire mo say me say be mo ncha be sere mo to me ya de papa President Mahamudu so no nko biem ne nko na nyina so 4 years o metuma lusu eti se mu hunko a ye fa Ghana ske nyina mo nkodi na mon kai dem hu se ebre ye ni nkaso ebre bibia wo ne bre munima mun ko busa mun panifo Victor Salome ne Chajuchi Katanom ne to wom what ukodua abedro keke kone ko also pese bro ukodua bro 85 million Ghana cedis body ben na Ghana for yemu basuntali onyameto so
abusiam aya Malik Basabasantali na asemaba na power aba na tie uwi a dwane yenka nyansasem nche akwa no.
Would you believe that when you check the appendix to it, Malik Basintale, who was shouting and clamoring for 6K men, 5K men, is now putting 9 million Ghana cedis, equivalent of 900,000 USD, into youth in Techiberry. Do you know Techiberry? Abedru. And you ask, since 2025, what have they done with it? And so if...
Enema mienu na me woka she Malik Basabasantali. Ni edi kan. Omra be kire yen emabunu dodo a otimi employ in this model youth in planting of Abedru. Omra no be kire yen. Now on say ahia watu omuka so far 2025 na ahia watu omuka so far busumi bia ahia na wode mom. Owie a o me kire yen youth in Abedru no. How many acres of Abedru a omedua ahe na omatwa ahe na omaton omoton ye ni sika ahe na Ghana ye nyaaye egu ye kitimu ana afensu sa 9 million Ghana cedis a we invest in youth in Abedru no enfa so ahe na Ghana ye nya free mu you see sa krodo na Malik Basabasantali obo wa yi wono no eda power be change eda NDC be co position sene na so be ye no he will have a lot on his plate to deal with so no ana a proponent of oral operation recover all loot na woman nam di yedete ono na na di mutintiman a wonam radio station after radio station Echo TV station upon TV station e kansem hunu mo ba kaya o victory party o se den no ono na Sami Jamfi introduce ne say obelidi oral Eda NDC be free opposition. Wo Malek Basabasantali ora no. Wo na be do first. Ne atosu mienu a me pese me kache Malek Basantali. You see, the object of why na yete ye under President Kufuor no. The object ne say e be create sustainable and decent job ama mebunu. Wo Malek Basabasantali wo opposition mo no de den wo TV to beg attacking MPP appointees left right center. Because you say utimi di Dr. Bawumia atem e kan se mhunu fa ne ho e twa ntroto ne so mobile power ani ya ma such delicate position why CEO enye position ketwa e say create sustainable and decent job Emma 5k men any 3k women na odu omo ye that dirty jobs no. And in your wisdom, in your intelligence, in your smartness, idea utimi e coming up with a youth in a planting of Abedu. Youth in planting of Abedu. Upon all the ideas in human where we are here, you could have come up with no. Youth in planting Abedu. And on utimi e coming up with. I say 5k men, any 3k women, I would use one with your with dirty job. Amunko planting Abedu. You see, Sankofo when come on power. We wouldn't know how dumb they are. We wouldn't know how useless they are. Sankofo power. This is the same person, Malek Basabasantali way. Ebeko radio, Subeko TV so. Ako attack Dr. Bawumia. Such a person, Dr. Bawumia. Ideas are Dr. Bawumia, they are bad. And Dr. Bawumia may implement here, changing millions of Ghanaians' lives. Ideas are a bin see that. But this guy, this young boy, I only certificate. It's me Kotna TV so. Attack the integrity of Dr. Bawumia. Question the competence of Dr. Bawumia. Chan trotoneso. And esiwuna so damn esiwuna so. Yama opposition CEO. Pe idea papa bi nyansadie bi ye na create decent job. Emma NDC full soldiers awon na ma comedy o man. Atu omo ne akasa. Youth in Abedu. Anawo utimi e coming up with and you are spending 9 million Ghana cedis. Me say Malek Basabasantali. And that power be changing hands. One who say name, oh yeah, MPP for. One who say name, oh tormenting crop for. A bra, a bear apparent to say end this money we need elections no. And that end this be free opposition, or be free power. And that end this be lose elections. Then I do Danny free Ghana. Because Niamudi MPP for beer, ya bear will be times 10. Make come sister Shoa. And you see MPP for now one now for when this mudum. They be I will serve you notice. Maybe I will tell you this. I will remind you, say, when the time comes, na enyema boni NDC for, MPP for, NDC for MPP for. Say Obama no more match party comedy no more match all these things. And no more my MPP. Chama want to me or persecuting the Sanyama way. A do 1 year young will be times 10 now will be. I say where madam where business partner, where my family member. You such person. The way we will come after you, no, baby, I will be no. The way I bet that voice, I'm on my.
Agana for any prayer, you bia, FBM, Bianum Calipon. To one fine years, Yandia. When to one fine years, Yandia. I'll grow when you too much. Mahama. This is my last month. Mobile was your answer to your workers. And I told Musadi and a be home. Scanning Ginasa. Good I jama monina, matoni ned. Matoni ned. I do fair serve ourselves a old brother. Some obeyesca for a Japadia deal no, a Japadiana mutual Sabukuna mutual, not just a moi. Mobile king crying. Eh? When to one fine years, you had your cry van two. Dear Cobbenina, say na your friend, Kenufulata, no investment or yea, 2024, and then 2025, and then I will jubilate, and I will enjoy, and I'm what I told is forcing, not so pain. Ghana for Mukra, what they are to forcing, a compare Kenufulata. Kenufulata, what they are to forcing, a compare for Kenufulata. Nipa pekasa, she nimo, Uncle Moon, Kenufulata, won se na dwuma bi agu wo Ghana hada na wo de kenufulata ato force toto kenufulata na finance minister se yenye nyina se kenufulata na nkaye best hwe investment Akufo-Addo ye hwe policies no government oba ya the first time no start ni nyina na kenufulata one district, one factory, one ambulance every constituency, $1 million, one constituency, free education, NAPCO, and then I can now, when your MPs be almost say, oh, Tibongo MP, I say, Ken must go because covered about my we are seeing now lockdown. Emma and timber nko, gold nko, bauxite nko. Almost suspended trade. Emma hochira ba wiase. Na mkoto abanzo amato tia parliamentary nyina se Akufo-Addo de yebeto man na parliament de yanto mano. Yanto mapa ye MP no. Na MPs ni nyina lusu yi. Na onya hang parliament. Yan konkoto final way so no nya na speaker of parliament so speaker of parliament so nkoto ma NDC ni tete Akufo-Addo san shobi akọ lockdown na owo nidaso se o wini election a obetimi aye nwoma wakoto atia ne member of parliament nyina MPs ni nyina emomo alusu omulusu nso a mokọ parliament so a Mungokoto so speaker of parliament so amakoko fa NDC ni na o pese Akufo-Addo no fa ne se na mfa mu man na Akufo-Addo no kra no o wakukuduro too much utime yire ho kakra di wie eno na abufu a okasa o ka bibia na ne buafu no a reply or action asofo e wo krom ha se Akufo-Addo ama o mo bribe amomu we sika ndi nti omu nyina kutia generally se wo krom ha nyina omu nyina kutia Akufo-Addo because on titiska mom so parliament mwe Akufo-Addo no wetima ye business no wenye sika no de amamo ene we obey otimi twa budget nko $70 million e de ko share na we communication ano na yede betutu abraba ma bloggers ni ade enkoyi kura so mbe didi se ekoyi se ni nyina na Kenufulata na we friend Akufo-Addo no ba umia ba we investment omo ye na mo enjoy gold omo pegu nyina mato ni nyina sika omo pe nyina mato madi ni nyina enne afede du wo de so no untimi mbu man no enne hwa ho kira aba inflation wo famu nso ko kroma anwama boa eden me hu bi da wo wiase agi se Ghana pe inflation wo famu nso oka the whole world obia oil wo famu nso Ghana nko oil e wo high nso na nkrofo jubileti mungugu na mohwe